Our topic is student time spent, which is related to sleep time and study time of student. This data is taken from several of students, which is based on a Google form. We choose this topic because it is trendy among students. Students should be able to manage their time wisely between study and rest. Students should have enough sleep because it can help students to learn more efficiently. However, students sometimes do not have enough sleep because they spend time for study, review, lesson, preparing assignment, and so on. So, in this video, we would like to present about population and variable data collection, study design, result, and finding. So this is for the population and variable that we got based on the data from Google Form that we collected. So for the title is student time spent. For the population is about student. For the explanatory variable is the time students sleep in a day, and for the response variable is the time the students study in a day. For research question is there a correlation between the time students sleep in a day and the time students study in a day? And lastly, about the hypothesis, students with lower time sleep have more time for studies. Hence, negative correlation is hypothesis.
Next, in this topic, I will explain on how we do this project and we study the design. First, we use the process of graphing method by using Excel, and second, the process of data analysis method. Both of the process are using Excel. And for the first process, we are going to look on how to make scatter plot graph, and the second process is we analyze the data by using analysis toolpad.
Okay, my name is Azrul Shabisale, and in this section, I will present on how the process of graphing the method by using Excel. First of all, we need to highlight the data table, and then from insert section, we click on the scatter graph. In this result, when we choose the scatter graph, it will come out with a nice scatter plot graph. And it's not done yet. After that, we have to make sure that the graph is even and we can see it clear. If the graph is not clear and uneven, we need to adjust the y and x axis by click on its sides and change the value at the right hand panel. Then we need to proceed on the dotted point on the graph by right click on that point, and we can select add timeline and click on it. Make sure the line that we select is linear, and also click on the display, and also click on the display equation on chart and display our square value on the chart. Now we have regression equation and coefficient of determination on the graph. Okay, next I will present about the data analysis. For the data analysis, we need to analyze the data using the Excel. First of all, we move to the data, and from it we can find the data analysis tool here and click on it. After that, we gonna find regression from the data analysis tool, and we click OK. After that, it asks us to give an input for y and x range. For the y range, we choose study hours, as we know it is y-axis. We choose all the data and give the input to the Y range. And it same goes to the X range. We choose sleep hours, choose all the data, and give an input to the X range. And make sure we tick the labels and choose output option as output range. And output range is the position that output summary gonna execute, and this is the position that I want it to be executed, and I choose this box and give the input. And finally we can click OK for the finalized result, and this is the final result for our summary output. And from this we can find regression equation and also correlation equation. Okay, for example, this is our regression equation, which is y equals to negative 0.127 plus 5.161, and this is our regression equation. And for the correlation equation, you can see here on multiple R, this is the correlation equation, which is 0.226154.
So this is the result. Degree of freedom is 17 and correlation coefficient are 0.23. So the finding is we have 5 steps. Step 1 is hypothesis. H0 rho equal to 0. H1 rho not equal to 0. Step 2, critical value. Determine degree of freedom that 17 minus 2 is 15 and alpha is 0.05. The critical value is plus minus 2.131. Step 3, T equal to R and the T equal to 1.16. Step 4, decision not rejected H0, and step 5, conclusion there is a relationship between time sleep and time study. So the hypothesis, student with lower time sleep has more time to study. Thank you.